Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on CommBank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in commbank.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for CommBank. Now click on the log on button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate login portal and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your client number within the client number section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the log on button and you will be logged into your CommBank account right away. Now once you log in, click on the credit cards button and you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, then scroll all the way down and click on help and support. Now from the help and support page, scroll down once again and click on contact us. And now within the connect with the right help option, click on personal banking and then choose credit cards. You will then see the contact details, including the phone number that you can use to get in touch with the support team. Just call this number and let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card and they will provide you with the steps that you can follow in order to cancel it. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to have your credit card cancelled on CommBank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.